Watermelon. It is juicy and sweet, giving it the ideal treat to quench your thirst in the sweltering summertime. They're huge, which comes in seeded and seedless types, is a colorful, cooling staple of the summer. This enormous round fruit has a vivid red interior, with a green rind. Selecting and getting ready a planting site. Watermelon seeds should be soaked in warm water 40 to 50 Celsius for 20 minutes. Prepare tissue or cotton or cloth, paper towel for germination containers. Insert small stones so that the hole is not clogged with soil. Loamy, moderately sandy, well-drained soil is ideal for watermelons. 95 Fahrenheit is the optimum soil temperature for the germination of watermelon seeds. From the time of planting until fruit starts to form, watering is crucial. Keep the soil wet but not soggy. In the morning, water the vines at their base, being careful not to wet the foliage or water from above. Once fruit is grown, watering can be reduced. As soon as the curled tendril starts to dry up and become brown, the watermelon is ready to be harvested. Keep an eye on them because they typically ripen over the course of 2 weeks. To separate the watermelon stem from the vine, use garden shears or a sharp knife.